MagicVideoFX 4.0 Review, Mega Bonus Pack available in download area. MagicVideoFX 4.0, the one-stop DIY solution that comes fully loaded with all the tools you need to create professional animated video with stunning graphics that will help sell your products and services like no other. Our templates are appropriate for vloggers, digital advertisers, videographers, entrepreneurs, marketers, visual content creators and agencies. Get access to 200+ MagicVideoFX 4.0 slide templates. Maximize your exposure on videos. This incredible tool will help unleash the full power of your videos. This is a video animation tool designed for professionals and beginners. With MagicVideoFX 4.0, you can make a video fast and easy. It's best for vloggers, digital advertisers, videographers, entrepreneurs, marketers, visual content creators, agencies and more. Arif Chandra just released a collection of 200+ suitable for a broad range of slide videos with 40 pre-made categories templates that include. You'll find slides built for all sorts of great niches, like company profiles, event videos, education, vloggers, digital advertisers, marketing videos and more. The results are easily quickly edited, and you can turn these 200+ slides into 3,000 just by mixing and matching elements and categories. MagicVideoFX 4.0 is going to help you too. Plus, keep it simple, concentrate on your core message. Plus, focus on your audience's needs. Plus, impress your clients and audience. Plus, help you create a trustworthy and tell stories brand to seal the deal quickly. I primarily like his supernatural touches with the color usage and quirky kicks he has in his elements. Check out the video demos. MagicVideoFX 4.0 benefit and features: Ultra HD 4K and Full HD resolution, 16:9 slide formats, 200+ unique custom slides, impressive MagicVideoFX 4.0 animations, new cool style effect and transition. Every theme creates a uniquely stylish look. Music track included. Full animation, build and transition. Fully editable, shapes, icons, mock-up. Our templates are appropriate for vloggers, digital advertisers, videographers, entrepreneurs, marketers, visual content creators, agencies and more. MagicVideoFX 4.0 is going to help you too. Keep it simple, concentrate on your core message, focus on your audience's needs, impress your clients and audience, and help you create a trustworthy and tell stories brand to seal the deal quickly. Kinds of videos you can create with MagicVideoFX 4.0: corporate videos, event videos, live videos, marketing videos, promotional product videos, vlog videos, YouTube videos, and more. Review, Mega Bonus Pack available in download area.